Hey, Jake, can you leave that there? You know what's in there?
What?
It's a secret for Biker. You have to leave it, okay?
It's a barbecue.
Shh. You're not supposed to say anything. Yeah, what if Biker asks you? Jake? Jake? Jacob, stop. Look at me.
What?
What if Biker asks you what's in there? What are you going to say?
A barbecue.
No, say it's a secret. I can't tell you.
I have to wait till it opens it up.
Yeah, so you got to wait till Christmas.
Huh?
Okay, pretend I'm Biker, okay?
Okay.
Say, hey Jake,
Yeah?
what's in the box?
A barbecue.
Ah, you're not supposed to say that. You?
Oh
Okay, let's try it again. Hey Jake. Hey Jake,
yeah?
what's in the box?
Secret.
Oh, come on, you can tell me. Come on, here, I'll give you here, I'll give you a chocolate bar if you tell me.
It's a barbecue.
No. No, even Jacob. Even though somebody's gonna give you something, you still don't say anything. Say, I'm sorry, it's still a secret.
I'm sorry, it's still a secret.
Okay.